Emakhosini Camagu Lisedile Khanya, ume Onika, umhlambululi, uAmabutho. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ngizokhuluma ngesikolo sikaMoya. Isikolo sikaMoya, please scroll down kuma videos and check isikolo sikaMoya. Asikhethi ukuthi umuntu wesilisa noma umuntu wesifazane, ithatha wonke umuntu othi ngicakekile ngento zikaMoya. Angithi impilo iyasithola somewhere isise somewhere, and it's normal ungazitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe uyarefaila mawusuka from kaKristu uye ngapha emathongweni, mawusuka ngapha emathongweni uye ngapha kaKristu. Ungalinge uzibone ngathi we need to balance. We need to balance, and it's a story for another video, this one. We've got 4 elements, which is we need to survive kuwo wonke lama elements. So lento lezi zama star signs lezi zama zodiac signs yizo ezihluphayo namhlanje. Umuntu athi ame earth sign, ame fire a sign. No, you need ukuthi ukhona ukuphila kuwo wonke. Kwamele ukhona ukuphila kuwo wonke ama seasons. Summer kwamele kube khona ingelosi yesummer ekuprotectayo. Kwamele makuba yiwinter kube nengelosi ebakhona. So amabutho basically, kodwa ke ngingakulahli ngoba usesemusha. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu othi angazi lutho ngento yokuphahla. Abantu namhlanje baphahla ngenxa yokuthi ba under pressure, ukuthi basey'inkingeni, and bathi into zabo kwamele zilungiswe kuphi emsamo. Now ukuyophahla ungazi ukuthi uyothini mawufika, irrespective of inkinga obhekane nazo. Lezi zinto obhekane nazo oyophahla ngazo, mhlawumbe akufaneke uphahle ngaleso sikhathi ngazo. Mhlambe kudingakala okuthize kuqala, maybe you're cleansing inhlambululo yakho kuqala. Ngoba siyakwazi ukugezela uJehova uJesu siyenkonzweni namathongweni kunjalo. You need to be prepared, cleansed spiritually. Mhlambe umphahlo wakho awufinyeleli ngoba awukho cleansed. So seek spiritual cleansing more than anything. More than ubuthakathi lobo enibiyele eindumbeni enibiyele enkonzweni. Akunamthakathi okusukelayo, akunasimo esibi esikusukelayo. Ngengithande ingane kaMoya engene esikolweni athi yo ngaze ngazizonda izitha zami, ngazonda umuntu owabulala abazali bami, ngazonda umuntu owangrape, kanti indaba beyilele emsamo. Umsamo makube unamadlozi angazange ahlambululwe, abuyisa lo moya kunina nibe abonodoli babathakathi. So kula ishaya khona. Yini lela imsamo, kungani sithi bhekana umsamo? But now isikolo sikaMoya sa noma ubani, you don't need to dream about me, but for knowledge use is very important. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu onobubuhlungu obungapheli, because it's more of a spiritual therapy, counseling nako konke. Kodwa useyintsebenzweni zani sokuhlambulula wena more than anything before siya ngale kuphi emaqaleni womsamo wakho. Isikolo sikaMoya sivundlulula impande zakho zabo mama, zakubo baba, zakubo gogo, zakubo mkhulu, ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngabe kukhona umoya lo philayo lo kuhluphekisayo manje, lo moya lo okuyenza ukuthi ungabi but steady relationship or marriage yakho uvuthe kanje, kanti ugogo wakho wayephila the very same way uphila ngayo. Mhlambe emsebenzini uyahlukumezwa, yes, kwakune spirit sakini mhlambe leso phila ngaso esasihlukumezwa. So wena as izulu labangasekho kwamele uyilwe uyiwine, noma izoqhubeka generation to generation ni experience into eyodwa. Isikolo sikaMoya esabantu aba frustrated, aba depressed, definitely kwamele uzizwe umuntu, ngoba Kungani ngikhuluma kanjalo? Awulapheki nje nasesontweni, awulapheki nje ngisho naseyindumbeni. It's because of iphakathi lakho linid attention. Ingqondo nenhliziyo, they need attention more before uyolwa nezitha. You need to be ready ukuphahla, ukukhuleka, and also nani nokulwisa izitha. You cannot ungazange ube trained as a spiritual soldier and then you claim ukuthi ungalwisa izitha, sizokushaya. Ngoba abaningi namhlanje nithakatheka futhi bashaye to a right point because of now ulwela ekungcoleni. Ubuthakathi ifana ne red flag or ifana ne siren alarm yokuthi umsamo wakho unake. Once ungathakatheka bangakushaya ulale phezulu kombhedo ungasakhona ukuvuka, then alarm to fix, you still have time. Ukulala ukuvuka, it clearly shows ukuthi whatever situation okuyo, you need to fix it. But now if flop eniyenzayo, into wrong eniyenzayo, ni entertainer ubuthakathi nibenze, kusho ukuthi niyenza abathakathi nemimoya esempilweni zenu babe ama higher power empilweni zenu. Kanti kuyafika lesikhathi uma so understanda ngento zikamoya, you say ngokwenyama, I don't entertain abathakathi nemimoya emibi, because you know who to report to. Kukhona yes ungaba nogogo nomkhulu edlozini, kodwa umkhulu wakho uza ngeziphi? Uyopayisa ngokuphahla kumkhulu wakho ongcolile, ongahlambulekanga, owabulawa nayo ongahlelisekanga kule ndawo kuyo. So isikolo sikamoya, mina I encourage abantu ukuthi basithole for spiritual therapy, ukuthi babuye lesimeni, ukuthi babe nalento ukuthi angeke ngilale ngathandazanga. Because mina into engiyaziyo uma so ngenile ngeenyawo zombili entweni zikamoya, usaba noma yini and uzomhlonipha umuntu, not ukumhlonipha in a way yegama hlonipha respect, no, ukuthi umuntu don't trust anyone. Yes siyaphila nabantu, kodwa you leave a room for ukuthi anything is possible. Ngithi ufike lo ukuthi you don't even trust umzali wakho, because kukhona abantu abagangelwa ama parents abo. That's how life it is kwa spiritual world. Nyaye ngimangala umuntu othi I need ifamily yami ukuthi bangisupport kule spiritual journey. That's what I can tell you. You don't choose i journey yakho nama guides akho ukuthi hambe kanjani. Uba yi black sheep nje bakususa, cause you are surrounded, family yakho abantu ababi, yes, abantu ababi, including your parents, including your siblings, including ama relatives. So banemfihlo yabo ukuthi bakenza i-black sheep kube ngathi uyahlukumezwa, so that kwamele usuke. Abanye ke aba spiritually gifted noma umuntu nje nanoma ungekho but I don't believe ukuthi khona umuntu ongekho spiritually gifted. We are all nalawo thakathayo spiritual gifted, nalo hamba nemimoya heavy spiritually gifted. The spirituality yonke into ekamoya. So asiyokhuluma ngobumnyama ngoba sithina singabokhanya. Bengifuna ukuthi mawuthi you are spiritually gifted, don't think only with positive side. Nangale ba spiritually gifted and bona laba bomkhathi omnyama bayenza sure ukuthi into zabo banihambela, badabula amazwe, bakhipha imali ezishisayo ukuthi wena ungaphakani. So isikolo sikamoya uyasidinga baba mkhulu, ngoba into ngathi iyamahloni, kodwa we've got abantu abadala abazofundiswa yimina. Yazi into kamoya ngeke uphile ngokwenyama kuphela, ngokukamoya kuyafuneka ukuthi uphile ngokukamoya nangokukanyama, ngoba okwenyama kuna 2% kwelikamoya. Ingakho ke ungathuli chance mase zikubambile zikamoya. ubone ukuthi yazini lapho ke kakhulu abantu abasese nemali emabhenki nasemapokotweni abo bazokutshela ukuthi hayi it means nothing. Into zami ziyabheda ngiloku ngiphethe leyo 1 million. Lo ongenalutho okhala ngemali azwe loyo uyabona ubu unfair bayo kodwa ke isikolo sika Moya non stop asina holiday asinani ifuna umuntu ozimisele. Yebo ngeke ngibalaphe bonke ngenxa yani it's because of you find umuntu onemali yesikhanyiso kodwa ke akakabi ready ukufixa spiritual life sakhe noma ukubhekana ne spiritual world. Yes iyenzeka. Yes unesikhanyiso unakonke awukho ready but lo ongenalutho uready. Kula uzobona khona ukuthi sonke siya emhlabathini akekho ongcwatshela eicini noma kwi-ice cream sonke yabona ngokukamoya kula ubona khona ukuthi siyalingana akuna tycoon akunani. So isikolo sikamoya is there for you ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi okay le spirit esiphila engiphila naso esikhathini samanje esiphi le mimoya evunguzayo empilweni yami mhlambe why imali yami lokihamba. Thina isikolo sikamoya sifocusa kuwena ukuthi ube right psychologically and also nasemathongweni akho emadlozini akho emsamo wakho ukuthi ingabe kuhamba kahle na. If you are interested you will comment I'm interested. Emakhosini, please don't forget to like and subscribe and also before watching the video please yenza sure ukuthi uya ama ad uyawayeka adlale and then ukwazi ukuthi ungene. Emakhosini akuyokhanya.